Here, Braylon. Here. Oh, I'm not throwing them. It's the only pair I got. Not only set.
They break. Oh, my toes is numb.
Mm-hmm. It's a casket.
It's a muffler.
Big muffler.
It's dusty.
Yeah, it's very dirty.
What is it? A smoker?
Yeah. No, it's just a box. We put a bunch of trash inside.
It's a lot of trash inside. It's a rhino cart inside. It's just a little rhino cart.
Thank you. Thank you. It's cool.
And the box soup is super dirty, so you can wipe it off with that black.
The box soup.
It's super dirty. Braylon gonna help you carry it. Should we open the lanai?
It's in the garage.
Okay.
You gonna bring it to the house, maybe?
Yeah, you might as well take it out back. Who has the keys? Who has the keys? Braylon?
I got it.
Nope, leave it open for now. I want to see them keys first.
He has the key.